Harrison?
He's right. His head's right there. I think he's stuck in there. Hey, buddy, I'll let you out through this gate. Right here. Come on and get out of our airplane. You don't need an airplane. You got your own wings, buddy.
He's retired.
You don't need to fly the Cessna. He's tired. He goes, no, I want to go with you guys.
We're going direct to KJWN. Enter. Activate. Mr. Rich. Everything's ready to go. Winchester traffic, Skyhawk 51871 is taking runway 18. We will be a northbound departure, downwind departure to the north, Winchester. Climbing through 2,500. So we're just going to level off at 3,500 and kind of generally start getting on course here. This is Tim's Ford Lake. Okay. Pretty cool. Yeah. That's kind of cool how the house right there. Yeah. I always see all these places when I'm flying where I'm like, God, I didn't even know that was there, or somebody actually lives in that little island or whatever. Yeah, I had no idea this existed. Oh, look, somebody drew a dick and balls. A what? A penis. Look. See? In the sand? I can't see it. I trust you. Yeah, get that camera. It's on. Okay. Yeah. I think I got it. Yeah. Just gotta point it out and hope. Alright, I'm just getting the plane here to like maneuvering speed. And then we're just gonna bank to the right, keep it coordinated, and do a little turn here. It's a little island. I know, it's so weird. What's the name of the river? It's Tim's Ford Lake. Gotcha. That's beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to call sort of air traffic control essentially and get flight following. And I'm hoping these radios are not goofed up because they sound kind of weird. Alright.
Southwest 1040, Memphis Center, climb maintain flight level 230.
Climb us up to 4,500 real quick. Memphis Center, Skyhawk 51871, VFR request.
Skyhawk 51871, Memphis Center, go ahead.
Yeah, Skyhawk 51871 is a C-172 slant golf requesting flight following. We're just off of
Skyhawk
Winchester, KBGF. We're on our way to John Tune, KJWN.
Southwest 1689, contact Indy Center 133.05.
So either my transmission got screwed up or they forgot about me, which either one can be possible.
Envoy 3940, Memphis Center, climb maintain flight level 230.
They're dealing with like airliners.
And it was looking for the VFR request, is that 58171?
51871.
Number 871, squawk 1660, 1660.
1660, 51871.
Bushwick 5311, contact Memphis Center 118.87.
1887, Bushwick 5311, so long.
See you, Southwest 1040, contact Indy Center 127.02. November 871, radar contact 11 miles southwest of the Toloma Airport at 4,700. Maintain VFR. Say your destination.
Position checks for 51871 destination. It's KJWN.
871, thank you. Nashville altimeter 3000.
3000, 871.
Southwest 1894, descend via the Paisley 4 arrival landing south. The Nashville altimeter 3000.
Everything looks good. And we're just kind of following these lines. The route that I set up, instead of going just a B line for John Tune.
871, you got eye for traffic at your 11 o'clock 5 miles northbound. It is a B28 Romeo at 5,000.
Is that for 51871?
Number 1871, are you heading back towards John Tune? I saw you pretty much going straight westbound. Are you getting ready to make your way back to Tune?
Right, yeah, we're turning northwest now, thank you.
Right, thank you very much. And November 56853, traffic at your 1 o'clock and 5 miles, turning northwest down towards John Tune. You are quite a bit faster. You'll probably have run with the VFR Cessna 172, 4,500.
Looking for traffic, got him on ADSB, thank you so much.
Kidding.
Memphis Center, Skyhawk 61655 has the field inside.
So they're saying
61655. I don't know the traffic between you and Tullahoma Airport is just
56853 is 400 feet above us and headed right toward us.
Roger, beta service is terminated. False VFR change to advisory frequency is approved. You have a great one.
VFR, frequency change approved. Have a good one, 61655.
Good.
So about 4 o'clock, 400 feet above us. At any point, what I can also do is just do a big 360 and get behind them if I feel like that they're in my way or uncomfortable or something.
King of 9, we're King of 10, we're turning our VFRD.
19.35.
Did we just hear like cross modulation between their voices?
We're starting our VFR descent.
Figure 8, Tango, thank you.
It happens.
November 51871, contact Nashville approach 119.35.
We'll contact Nashville approach 119.35, 51871. Nashville approach Skyhawk 51871, 4,500.
Skyhawk 51871, Nashville approach, Nashville altimeter 2999.
2999, 51871.
51871 approach.
51871.
51871, maintain VFR at or below 4,000.
Maintain VFR at or below 4,000, 51871. So I'm just going to go ahead and get us down to about 3,500. somewhere around there. That's because of this traffic, I bet he was trying to just get me out of the way of.
I see.
I'm still very new at this and getting used to all the radio stuff and air traffic control stuff and all that. It's just one of those things you just got to do and kind of suck at until you don't.
Air 51871, if I didn't give it to you, the Nashville altimeter is 2999.
Say again for 51871.
871, if I didn't give it to you, Nashville's altimeter is 2999.
Roger, 2999.
871 also, I'm not sure if Memphis notified you, but it appears your transponder's intermittent.
Five 51871. Looking at the transponder. Do you need me to ident?
No, it's fine. I'm just letting you know for the next time you got it at the shop, it's kind of going in and out. I have it fine now, but then I'll lose it for maybe 10 or 15 seconds. It'll come back.
If it helps you pay attention to me, then maybe it's worth it. No, I really appreciate it. Thank you.
G'day, Cessna 51871. Let me know when you get tuned in sight.
Wilco 51871. There's the Natchez Trace Bridge in front of us.
I was just going to ask you if that was an Natchez Trace Bridge.
Yeah, I've never flown over it. Center 51871, we'll just cancel the flight following. We're going to get west of the field so we can get a better eye on it.
Center 51871, Roger. Radar service terminates, call VFR. Frequency change is approved. Have a good day.
VFR, frequency change approved. Good day. Thank you. Okay, so now we're squawking VFR.
Air 780 Golf, Nashville departure, radar contact.
Now we're going to go over to Nashville Tower.
Johnson Tower 733 Charlie Sierra is ready at Alpha 4, departing VFR to the west.
Wind 280 at 8, gusting 13. Visibility 10 miles. 8, dew point.
Cessna 733 Charlie Sierra, Johnson Tower, runway 20 at Alpha 4, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 20 at Alpha 4, 733 Charlie Sierra.
Johnson Tower, Skyhawk 51871 is 12 miles to the south with information. Echo inbound for full stop.
Tower Commander 887 Sierra Delta, we'll be holding short 20, we'll be ready to go in sequence.
987 Sierra Delta, Johnson Tower, hold short runway 20, pending IFR release break. The unanswered aircraft that starts with 581, say again.
Skyhawk 51871, 11 miles to the southwest inbound for a full stop with information. Echo.
51871 Johnson Tower, say, are you better set up for a left or a right downwind 20?
We can set up for a right downwind for 20. We can enter the right downwind.
November 871, report 5 miles from the airfield, expect a right downwind runway 20, 1270 at 8.
Report 5 miles, expect right downwind for 20, 51871.
Sierra, right turn out to the west is approved.
Right turn to the west, 733 Charlie Sierra.
2 Tower, 0 Echo, 2 mile right base.
5880 Echo, runway 20, clear to land.
20 clear to land, will be full stop.
Johnson Tower, Skyhawk 51871 is 5 miles from the right downwind for 20.
John 2 Towers here, 742 Lima Golf, holding short, runway 20, ready for departure.
Air 742 Lima Golf, Johnson Tower, hold short, runway 20, pending IFR release.
Holding short, 20, 742 Lima Golf.
November 9 Sierra Romeo, remain outside of Nashville's Class Charlie airspace, and for entrance in or VFR flight following, you can contact them 119.35.
Alright, gas set, under
It will remain outside of Nashville,
sure
of course, and flight following will contact
seatbelts.
5790 Romeo.
switches, all good. Landing checklist complete.
November 871, I do have traffic departing runway 20, runway heading Air Commander.
Looking for traffic, 871.
And November 871, say distance and altitude from the airfield now.
4 miles, 871.
Alright, 71, roger.
Tower logs at jet 634, left base visual 20.
Is that jet 634, John Team Tower, stay distance?
5.
Is that jet 634, I do have you inside runway 20, clear to land.
Clear land 20, jet 630.
Air Commander 70 Delta, I do have tricky traffic approximately 3.5 miles southwest of the airfield, entering right down, which shouldn't be a factor, just giving you a heads up he's out there. Frequency change, crew, safe flight.
Thanks a lot, set 2, we'll be looking.
There's people launching off this way from the runway up there that we're going to.
And 700 Echo Bravo's ready in sequence.
But we're going like this to go around and land.
Echo Bravo, John Team Tower, hold short runway 20 in sequence.
Pretty nice view, huh?
Sequence.
Yeah.
What, a rock quarry? What is that?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, we're at pattern altitude. Power is set. Looking for traffic coming off. They're past us. We're gonna sort of turn and go right over the prison here.
Oh, is that it? Okay.
Junction Tower, information echoes now. Current time 16500. Wind 280 at 8, gusting 13.
It's definitely a little bit bumpy, but nothing too crazy. We'll see what the gusts are like when we actually get down close to the runway.
Is that the Cumberland?
Yep. So there's a plane taking off now.
Oh, yeah.
Exit at 634, if able to must taxiway Alpha 2, contact ground 121.7.
We'll do that, 634.
Just so you know also, if there's anything I don't like about the approach of the landing, it's not unusual or crazy to say, we're going around, we're just going to try it again.
Number 742, Lima Golf, John Team
So if
Tower,
you see me all of a sudden go, no, going around, don't be like, oh shit, it's something wrong.
Up runway 20, runway heading 742.
Alright, so now we're abeam the touchdown point, pull carb heat, we're going to pull power down.
71, thanks for your help today. Traffic departing prior to arrival is a Cirrus taking runway 20 on the roll. Runway 20, clear to land.
Clear to land 20, 871, thank you. Alright, so clear to land. Get into a white arc here, 1 notch of flaps. We're going to pull some power down here, get into our descent a little bit more, get a feel for what the wind's doing. So we're 75 knots. And the wind is moving us around. So I just only use two steps of flaps here, 20 degrees of flaps, because no gusts. If you do too much flaps, you kind of become like a sail, a little bit too much.
I see.
Cirrus 742, Lima Golf, contact departure, safe flight.
Over departure, thanks for your help, Lima Golf.
Alright, altitude is good. Stay coordinated in this turn here. Alright. Pull a little bit more power. I'll go ahead and go second notch of flaps. Just slow down a little bit more. 70 knots. We're going to keep up our speed a little bit. Always better to have a little bit more speed when it's gusty.
Whoa.
We're getting sloshed around, huh?
What is that dome?
That is a trash mountain. Alright, here we go.
They covered the trash with a dome?
Alright. We're talking on set now. Focus, all focus. Alright, we got 3 white. Good. We're on the glide slope. Feel out this wind here for a second. Definitely a little bit high and a little bit fast, and that's okay. That's what we want to be. We have plenty of runway. Alright, so it looks like we've got a little bit of a crosswind kicking us here. So I'm going to go ahead and use the left rudder and get that lined up. And dip the wing while maintaining our airspeed. Pull a little bit of power. I'll go ahead and drop a third notch here. Get us slow down. Alright, 2 white. A little bit of extra speed was perfect. Just gonna be real patient, let it float. Woo! A little bit wild. Not my smoothest landing, but that was pretty gusty.
That was pretty smooth to me.
Crosswind correction.
Let's go back up.
November 51871, turn left 1 Alpha 3, hold short Alpha taxiway and contact ground 121.7.
Left Alpha 3871, contact ground. Thanks. Had to work that one down. John 2 ground, Skyhawk 51871.
Good morning, John 2 ground, experimental 487 Mike X-ray. I'm down at the south hangars, like to text the active with Echo.
487 Mike X-ray, John 2 ground, do you require run up today?
That'll be firm, yes.
John 10 ground, Skyhawk 51871, ready to taxi 2. Radio not working. Gotta be kidding me. Well, no, because it's the transmission. John 10 ground, Skyhawk 51871, transmission, ready to taxi via Alpha 3.
Number 51871, John 2 ground, I had that transmission loud and clear. Taxi into ramp via Alpha Romeo 4, please.
This is a different broadcast system or same?
I mean, it's the same system, but it's like I'm not the push to talk button. He told me there might be a little squirreliness with it, but it's actually broken all of a sudden. So that's a huge problem.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
So yeah. So yeah, I might even bail on going to Chattanooga tomorrow, because if I'm going into a busy Class C airport, or that's not busy, but it's just, you know, it's not going to some rural airport, I don't want to be using this thing all the time. So I just kind of back up from the old school.